So my name is Nicole Wzorek, and I love designing custom pieces, and I do alterations for people as well. I mainly do bridal, so I do wedding gowns and bridesmaid dresses, typically, and mother of the bride dresses, I guess. I do a lot of mother of the bride dresses. I love being able to make something come to life. Everyone comes to me with an abstract idea. Like this bride here, she had so many different ideas of what she wanted, and I love being able to draw it and figure out what pieces of fabric go perfectly together, and I love being able to take that drawing, something that's just flat, and bring it into life and make it move and flow, and that brings a smile on someone's face, and that's what I like. From different celebrations, I have a rose dress that is one of my favorite dresses that I've made. It was inspired by the Spanish culture and the Spanish rose, pretty much. I love roses, and I thought it would be a really unique idea to cover the dress in roses. So if you look at the dress, it starts at the zipper and it wraps all around her, and it explodes at the bottom with a lot of flowers. I love the inspiration from the colors of the roses and the textures, that everything, when you put them together, the textures just come to life. I really enjoy making something that's unique that no one else has, and it puts a smile on someone's face. My favorite thing is seeing the finished product, someone coming up, putting it on, and seeing their excitement. Like I had a special occasion woman once, and I made a skirt, and her final reaction was just, I will never forget it. She put it on and she loved it. She started dancing in it, and she just was so happy. She's like, I love every part of it. That's my favorite part, and that's my reward. There's not one specific job I would say that I would do other than this, except for being an artist. But I'm still kind of an artist, so it's nice being able to do what I love. Because you work every single day. You have to love what you do. There's no other way to do it.